how to present guest room amenities during butler service demonstrations in the Provide Valet and Butler service will be demonstrated to you by one of my trainee in housekeeping NC2, Miss Mikka Ella Fernandez. Halika po, panoorin natin.
So allow me to explain the amenities of this room. This room is called Deluxe Suite, where you can experience sophistication and set against a captivating backdrop of Manila skyline, with features ranging from Roberto Cavalli amenities to feathered bed linen. The suite also has its own security box in where you can keep all of your valuable items such as files and jewelries. The suite also has its own minibar where you can drink various of drinks such as wine and whiskey. The minibar also features its own draught or draft beer. For your easy access to the entire room, here's a quick guide for all the buttons, and all of them are functioning as well. We have here the air condition button, and we also have a curtain in where you can see the skyscraper of Manila. We also have 3 service buttons that you might need. Green button is for housekeeping service if you want your room to be cleaned. Blue button is for laundry service for your clothes and important whatnots. And if you want additional service, you can press the orange button for room service. The bathtub area will be easy for you to access. We have all here the button for the shower and water for the tub. The towels are inside the organizer and other personal needs. The other side of the room is where the living area located. Here's your bed and the wardrobe cabinet, and where you can put all of your clothes and things. And lastly, your own television set that features CNN, Netflix, and a pay-per-view.